Okay, boys and girls, here we have an official Mohs hardness test kit. Hey, 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 huh? This is a real cool thing. It's got these things, poker thing on either end, and they're sharp, real sharp. So you can take something like a piece of brass, 3.5. Here's a 3. And a piece of copper, huh? Brass is harder than copper. So when I take my copper, it just slides on it. Can you see that, Joe?
Yes.
Okay. And a 2 wouldn't even touch it. So what I want is, whoa, where did it go? Oh boy, I'm losing it. There we go. Okay, the 4 and 5, and we take the 4 on 3.5, and it puts a nice scratch there. It took zero effort, just the weight of the metal poker thing. If you gouge it, you can, it's gouging. It's not testing hardness. Um, Testing hardness with these is easy. So we'll start with a 7 and a 6, and we're going to look at a piece of opal. Okay, opal is 5.5 to 6 on the Mohs scale of hardness, but generally speaking, it's 5.5. And so my 5 is going to go slippy, slippy, slippy. And I'm doing it on the precious part, but I could do it back here too. I put a scratch there. I'll go sideways to the grain. See, it scratches this, but it doesn't scratch the precious part. This is precious opal. This is the wood part of the wood opal. It's a little softer. Um, Regular opal, though, is 5.5, and it just slides off of it. Um, the 6 and 7, that's not the right one. 7 and 6. Okay, 6 is going to put a scratch on there, so I'll do it here where it's, see? Boom, there it is. Real nice and easy. So I know that this is 5.5. It's right between 5 and 6. Now, I can take this piece of glass, or what is it, right? It's something. But it's not glass. Glass is 5.5. In fact, there's even a piece of glass in here that says 5.5. And indeed, the 6 will scratch it. If not, okay, it doesn't. Okay, I didn't make the kit, I just bought it. But anyway, that's interesting. The, um, the thing is, to go to 7. 7 is what quartz is, okay? And quartz does not scratch other quartz. So if this is a piece of quartz, this probably won't scratch it, and it doesn't. And so now 7 doesn't scratch it, and I've got an 8 and a 9. 8 is the hardness of topaz. So if it's a piece of topaz, and that's what I bought it as. I said it was clear topaz. It should indeed slide around on it just like that. Okay? But 9 should scratch it. Alright? 9 is what corundum and ruby and those. And 9 just slides on it. How about that? You know what that means? It means it's harder than a 9. Sapphire is the hardest, sapphire and ruby, corundum, are the hardest known minerals other than diamond. Other than diamond and moissanite. Huh? And as it happens, I have a piece that's both diamond and moissanite from my mind.
Hold it still.
From my mind. And it's, here we go, here's the 8. Slides around. Here's the 9. Slides around. How about that? This is a diamond. Doesn't look like it. All those people that want to stop by and tell me, oh, it's not a diamond. This hardness test is very definitive because nothing is harder than sapphire and ruby except diamond. It is this. That is a diamond. This is a diamond. Alright, where'd the little eyes go? There it is. That is a diamond. Watch. About that. That's all. You gotta hit the button.